Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about Talkpal AI. Alright, let's begin. Now, Talkpal is a conversational AI platform that aims to assist businesses with customer service. Users often highlight Talkpal AI's sophisticated natural language processing capabilities, which enable it to handle complex queries and provide relevant responses. The platform is noted for its intuitive interface, which simplifies the setup and management of the AI. The AI can handle inquiries around the clock, which improves customer service and engagement outside of regular business hours. Many reviewers appreciate the ability to tailor the AI's responses and behavior to fit specific business needs and industry requirements. Now, let's talk about some cons of Talkpal AI. While effective, the AI may occasionally misinterpret complex or nuanced questions. The free version or trial period may have limitations that restrict access to some features, which can be a barrier for users. Overall, Talkpal AI is well regarded for its advanced capabilities and customization options, making it a strong choice for businesses. So that's basically all about Talkpal AI, and that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.